If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error 399, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back into your account quickly. This error is usually tied to a browser session problem, corrupted cookies, age-restricted account settings, or even an extension that's interfering with the site. So we're going to cover the easiest fixes first and move into the more advanced ones if needed. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with the most common solution, which is clearing your browser cache and cookies. If you're on Windows, open your browser and press Ctrl, Shift, and the Delete at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and the Delete. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Now select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Make sure the time range is set to all time so you fully reset the session. Then click Clear Data. Once that's done, close your browser completely, reopen it, and try signing back into X or Twitter again. In many cases, this alone fixes error 399 because it removes broken or outdated login data. If the error is still showing up, the next thing to check is your account age settings. Error 399 can sometimes appear if X thinks your account does not meet the age requirements for certain content, or if your birth date is set incorrectly. To check this, click the More option on the left side of X, then choose Settings and Privacy. From there, go to your account, then Account Information. You may be asked to re-enter your password to continue. Once you're inside, look for your birth date and make sure it is correct and reflects an age of majority if that applies to your account. If the date is wrong, update it carefully and save the changes. This can remove false age-related blocks that trigger the error. Now, if you're using X on a browser, another big cause is a conflicting extension. Ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, and VPN browser add-ons can sometimes interrupt how X loads and authenticate your session. To test this, click the puzzle icon in the top right corner of your browser to open the extension manager. Then temporarily disable anything that could interfere, especially VPN extensions, ad blockers, or security tools. After that, refresh X and see if the error disappears. If it does, you can re-enable your extensions one by one to find the one causing the issue. If you're still getting error 399, go into Settings and Privacy, then Security and Account Access, and check your two-factor authentication settings. Sometimes mismatched authentication tokens or a stale login state can keep the error going, especially if you're using multiple devices or a third-party app. If needed, verify that your 2FA method is working properly and sign out of any suspicious or outdated sessions. In some cases, generating a fresh login session can resolve the problem completely. Another helpful fix is simply logging out and signing back in. If your session token has expired or become invalid, X may keep returning the same error until a fresh login is created. So after clearing cookies and checking your settings, try signing out of your account entirely. Then sign back in with your correct credentials. If you use an app, password, API tool, or a third-party client, make sure those credentials are updated too. At this point, if the issue still isn't resolved, try using a different browser or opening X in an Incognito window. That helps you test whether the problem is tied to your saved browser data. You can also switch networks briefly, especially if you're using a VPN or restricted connection, since some security filters can affect authentication. So to recap, the fastest fix for X and Twitter error 399 is to clear your cache and handler cookies, confirm your account age information, disable conflicting extensions, and refresh your login session. Those steps solve the problem for most users. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.